In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a layer in Adobe Express. Whether you're refining your design or simply making space for new elements, learning how to effectively manage your layers is key to a smooth, creative process. So, let's delve into it step by step. First, you'll want to open the layer stack. With your project already loaded in the Adobe Express editor, take a moment to locate the layers icon. This is typically found on the right side of your screen. By clicking on this icon, you'll open up the layer stack where all your project elements are organized. It's important to note that if the layer stack is already closed, simply click the layers icon again to bring it back into view. This feature keeps your workspace tidy and allows you to focus on the elements you need. Now that you're looking at the layer stack, it's time to identify the specific layer or object you wish to delete. In the stack, each object, whether it's text, an image, or a shape, is represented as its own layer. So, take a moment to scroll through the list and locate the layer that you want to get rid of. To ensure you've selected the correct one, click on that layer. You'll notice it highlights, confirming your selection, and this avoids any mishaps like deleting the wrong element by mistake. Once you're confident you have the right layer selected, it's time to move on to the deletion process. With the layer correctly highlighted, simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. This straightforward action will remove the selected object from your design. It's a quick and easy way to declutter your project and make room for new ideas or adjustments. And there you have it. The layer is gone, and your design is one step closer to your vision. Remember, deleting a layer is permanent, so be sure you're ready to remove it. If you ever need to undo an action, Adobe Express does offer an undo feature, so you have the flexibility to revert any changes if necessary. In summary, managing layers effectively is crucial in Adobe Express, allowing you to enhance, refine, and streamline your projects. By opening the layer stack, selecting the appropriate layer, and using the Delete key, you can confidently control the layout and presentation of your designs. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing.